Alright, bro, I've been talking, my bad. My bad. Hello, alright, bro, I've been talking, my bad. You guys can hear me now, right? There's gotta be sound now. Yeah, we're good. Yeah, what I was saying was, ultimately, we want to see higher. What do we have on the higher time frame? We have so many draws on liquidity to the upside. Oops, what the hell did I just click? Right, we have these highs. These are daily highs from prior week or the week before, right? We have these highs, and then going down, right? Just trying to explain what's been going on. So this is all-time highs, and remember on the 20th we had that huge sell-off day. Whenever we have a violent sell-off, um this is usually going to bring a violent pullback, right? Or not necessarily violent, but usually price comes back and goes higher than whatever this is. So it makes sense for us to go back to like 25,800, 25, 600, 700, and then maybe we don't go for all-time highs. Maybe we come back down. But ultimately, I'm bullish until we get these highs. And right now, I think Monday or like Sunday open, I think it set a perfect tone for the week on the weekly. Putting in this lower wick, we could put in even lower, like maybe another 300 points lower. So that's something to be cautious about. But I think right now we're going to be targeting these highs. It's just like it's kind of like a daily power of three. You take any trades? Yeah, I took some overnight trades. I'm freezing. I took some overnight trades. I'm up like 900 per account. I had like long limits. I had like two contracts at like 200, and then I just rode that shit. You're locked out already. They're gonna make New York great again because I hate the job that's going on. I think these are valid longs off the change in the state. I would have got long here. At the close, stop would be like I'd have like a 50-point stop. Ultimately, I would be targeting these highs. Like the draw on liquidity is clear, but price action is not the best. Because there's no real PD array, like fair value gap or inversion fair value gap on the 5 minute or the three minute. So you kind of have to go down to like the 30-second, right? There's a 30-second gap here, but like um who's actually like going down to the 30-second and looking at that? It's you have to really be paying attention and searching for a trade. So this is why I think like trading New York right now in December, um, it's very low probability. Uh, the trades are not really screaming at you. Like this is not screaming to get long. There are other days last week, the week before that were like screaming at me to get long. But here there's no entry. just for you guys, see, I posted in my channel that I was leaning bullish into the AM. This was on the 4 hour. Exactly what I wanted us to happen. Come lower and then push higher. I think the delivery is good. We're gonna go for the overnight highs, which is like 200 points away. This freaking flying. Hold on. Jing, bang, bang. We're checking around daily gap CE. Thing is, I don't really look at CEs, right? Um, I don't think we're gonna reject and go lower from here. Um, this this daily inversion should flip and we should go higher. Like the way I think of it, right? What was the manipulation leg that we had today at 9:30, right? What was it? It was this this whole move, this red sequence where we dropped what, like 120 points. We're manipulating lower, putting in that lower wick to expand and take us higher the rest of the day. That's kind of the narrative I see. We could get like a 20, 30, 40 point move off that, whatever, CE, but ultimately I think we go higher. I'm not trying to FUD you out of your trade. I'm just like sticking to my bias, like sticking to what I had on my channel posted last night. I think it's still valid. It's not ready yet to invalidate my trade or my thesis. Oh, rejecting from a daily gap C even earlier. Oh, here? I don't know, like what CE? This one? Yeah, this one. Yeah, I mean we're holding this daily gap. We're about to inverse this one. Right, like doesn't it look good for longs? Apparently there's news. I think. Is there news? 10 a.m. There's PMI, so 9 seconds. It's the red folder. maybe let's take a look at what gold's doing or something else. I hate seeing gold at these prices. Gold should not be freaking 40, almost 4,300. 4,300 a freaking ounce. A little bit insane. Like ideally, bro, I want to see this shit. Dump, dump. I need gold to be 0, bro. By the time I freaking propose to my girlfriend, or I guess I'm gonna get her diamonds, but I need that shit to dump. I need everything to dump. Go Jalen. How many people we got here? 50. So if you guys are new here, drop a sub. Yeah, drop a sub. Might do a giveaway. Might do a few giveaways this week. So if you guys are in the premium, there's gonna be some. Oh, what's up, Dylan? I gotta make you mod. I got you, Dylan. Featuring. Yo, are you guys what new firms are you trading? Right now I have Apex, Lucid, and some my fund of futures evals. And TPT. Remember me when you become rich or something? OG sub. I will remember. The futures desk. That firm. The futures desk. Also, I'm looking for an entry, so I'm looking for a deep pullback. So whatever this move is, um, waiting for like pullback to like 300 long. The futures desk. Um, daily losses. Okay, you can like customize this crazy. You can get a 50K account for, but there's daily loss limit. I don't like it though. I don't like daily loss limit. Yeah, you can remove it. Yeah, but then it's expensive. Like then it's like $200 per account. Yeah, they need to make New York great again because what is going on here? Bro, anyone here play Monopoly? Freaking, I love Monopoly now. Played one game at my buddy's house. I've been fiending for a game ever since. On the next one day pay, one day pass, no daily loss. Okay, so the thing with Gaga, on the next, they keep changing their rules, I think. They keep changing the rules and someone had like I think like 150K on their funded accounts and they changed the policy instead of like granting him the payout and then moving him to live with a little bit of cheddar. They like forfeited like almost 80% of the profits, which is insane. To a Monopoly game in the Discord. Yeah, that's for still I don't want to waste my time with a firm like that. I think Lucid is really good right now. I'm about to request my third payout with them on Wednesday. If I have two more green days. Then Apex obviously for scaling. Like I'm at the point where I'm scaling. Mm. Like no longer care for like the cheapest, like easiest firm. I want a firm with good rules. I won't be wasting my time. Like you shouldn't be paying more than I would say $200, $150 per count. If I have to pay more than that, then I'll pass. You have Top Step? No, I have zero Top Step accounts. I want to buy more. In terms of right now, then just going back to the charts. In terms of right now, the only trade that I saw was this 30-second inversion, and maybe a late entry with the change in the state up here. But apart from that, it's not really obvious. I wouldn't be kicking yourself if you didn't catch this. The draw was strong towards these highs though. Oh, we could have taken like an intuition trade. Why don't you start giving out limits, bro? I'm not trying to make alert bots. Though on most days, like the past 2 weeks, my bias has been really good, and um, that alone shouldn't be helping people. Like I'm literally just looking for 9:30, 10 a.m. power of three, waiting for the manipulation leg, and then taking the opposite direction. If we have a strong draw, that's literally it. And just scalping. I do a lot of scalping overnight. It's not like It's not like I'm on the charts from 6 p.m. to like midnight, right? I get on the charts at like the key times, so around like 2, like 1:30, 2 a.m. That's when I hop on and start scalping because that's when the sushi people and the British people, London Open, that's when they start trading. So I don't give a damn about like the low backs. I mean, sometimes I'll scalp on Lucid. It depends. But my highest win rate is definitely like later hours of the night, like 1, 2 a.m. And all I do is I look for strong displacement in one direction, and as soon as that trend like fades or stops, I'm reversing it. I'm taking it the other way. Like I'm never ever trying to predict the move. Love the hair today. What do you mean? What hair? My camera's not on. I'm confused. Yeah, you're psyching me out. Yeah, what you trolling me, bro? Like looking at my webcam, it's pointed to the freaking ceiling. Yeah, I thought you were like a spy. Freaking Mossad agent over here. Look at my toes. I got flat feet, bro. I'm getting soul shipped to me in Florida. Alright, bro. This is the draw. Waiting for a pullback in the next 20 minutes, 30 minutes. That's what I'm gonna be waiting for. Or Shinobi. Wob sick. Longs off 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I would wait for a tap back in. You could long that. I do want a little bit lower though. Like honestly, anywhere like here, I would consider longs. Here. Yeah, with confirmation, as soon as we come down and we make that first leg back up, like that's when I would consider longs. Make that first leg back up, hold, and continue higher. That'd be perfect. Damn. Price is just shitting on us right now. Watching 327. I don't really have like a set level. I hate doing that. Like I don't get how sometimes Shinobi he sets a limit and then 10 point stop, and it'll go to like he'll be on like 9.5 points to draw down, right? And then it'll go reverse immediately, like 50 points. That's just crazy. Bro, I hate to be that guy, but like just preaching how delivery is so bad. It's true. It really is true. And I know a lot of people lost money in the last 50 minutes, 40 minutes trying to trade this freaking range. So I low-key want to get the meta glasses. I think I might. I think the funds are a little, not gonna lie. I'm making transfers for invest. Funds are a little. Dump right now. See. Let's see how we react. I have my executions ready. All right. See. Oh my gosh. Pump out of here. Wow. Still no trade. How you draw that purple box? It was just like a box for like the range that I'm willing to along. I just drew it from this opening candle. It's what's it called? It's a breaker block. We long? I'm looking for I'm looking for long. I'm not in anything yet. I would let you guys know when I'm in something. Interesting. Alright, I'm gonna hop in small here. 38. Small longs. 38. I want to target some internal highs. I'm gonna put a stop at the lows. Let's see. Ride. Fix account. Yo, might get cooked here. Looks like I'm gonna get cooked here. Not gonna lie. We'll see. We will. All right. I think I'm stopped out. No. Not stopped out. Still in. Under 16. We stopped out. Yeah, I'm stopped here. Damn. That's kind of unfortunate. Get off. Yeah, I should. I should, right? I still like longs though. It's alright. I'm done. Done for the day. I think we do go higher. Do in fact like higher. So this is where I would see the market bounce from. There's just no momentum. Do you consider SMTs? Yeah. Sometimes it depends what time it is and like a manipulation leg. Not every SMT is important. Yeah, I don't like this price. It's chop. Maybe we should have just stayed cash in hindsight. A strong move down. Let's see if they hold it. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, it just keeps going, bro. I guess dump it, right? Mm. Longs maybe here. Yeah, I'm gonna add some longs here at 14. Yeah, I'm in these. Holy shit, bro, that was fast. I'm not gonna lie, that was really fast. Keep going. Yeah, I'm in longs. Sorry, I'm focusing on my trading view or my trade of 8. All right, I have a stop at minute 14. Stop here. Targeting internal. I want to go break even. I like this high. After we take that. Oh, don't coke us, bro. I have a hard stop here at 295. Not gonna lie, on the first trade we took, we got freaking touched. Do you think we take 391? That is a draw for me. But we did get touched on the first trade. Like viciously touched. Yeah, come on, pump this shit. Pump it. I'm also long on ES. Beautiful. We got Wob and longs. We got me and longs. We got the market doing what it needs to do. Let's go. Come on. Give us a break even. I'll take a break even. Give us 38 and I'm break. Yep. All right. Go break even, guys. This is like 30 points here. I might even take some off. I'm gonna scale 2 contracts. Beautiful. All right, we're letting this shit ride. Wait, low key, I might have to close this on my Apex for consistency soon. I'm scaling some out here. I scaled some out at like 50. Stop at break even. Fill in these with my runners. On paper. Almost got. I guess. I hate how rather they not gonna touch. Whatever happens. Send it to the. I'm gonna close it. Loki, pretty content with my. I'm gonna try my stop. Oh, this is. I closed. Hmm. Perfect exit. I think I'm done for the day. Yeah, I'm done. Alright, we got some fans in here. Yo, anyone trying to play Fortnite? Alright, I bet. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. I'm off. Good executions.